This is a GoPro Hero 10, and with it is attached an ND filter from Sandmarc. And what's different about this ND filter? Well, it's different. You can adjust the exposure. It's made from aluminium for durability, and it fits quite snug. It's as if it's a perfect tool for any content creator, but the question is it any good? So let's start with the unboxing. Small neat packaging. Inside you get a nice case with a velcro strap. Open it up and here is the ND filter. I gotta say, it has a premium feel to it. It definitely does not feel cheap, and it's what you expect for the price. These are quality products. Pay for what you get. The frame is made from aluminium, so it's light and durable. You have 4 stops you can adjust by turning the wheel. And I guess that is one of the main features or functions of this product. You only need one filter in which you can quickly adjust exposure. No need to swap out any filters, everything in this one ND filter. The wheel is smooth and it has a little bit of friction, so it's not too loose, so it's easy to stop at the ND you want. You're not going to mess about trying to get in the right number, it's very precise. So how does it fit on the GoPro? Well, it fits very snug. Simply just push the ND filter over the lens and it fits like a glove. There's these rubber inserts at the very end which holds it in place, and you can confidently leave the filter on. If you hold the filter and shake the camera about, give it a good shake, it'll come off. You can leave the filter on the camera while traveling, but I would recommend using the bag in case you damage or lose a filter while traveling. So how does it perform? Side by side, on the left you have GoPro no filter, on the right with filter. I purposely tried to shoot the sky so I could see overall exposure and the difference a filter makes. I will say having the ability to change filters is very handy, so going through the ND filters, you can see that the ND64 is a lot more darker. So if you're in bright sunlight or maybe in a ski resort where things are very bright, this is probably the best setting for the environment. In darker situations, perhaps it's a little cloudy outside, I would probably recommend using the ND8 settings, but really this is a great tool because you have all the needed filters in one ND filter. So final thoughts. This tool is handy for filmmakers or content creators wanting to have that extra detail in their work, being able to change exposure in a matter of seconds, not needing any editing software or needing to change exposure on the camera. I would say it is a good premium tool to have, but for the average Joe who's going on vacation once in a while, doesn't really matter too much about exposure, the rule of thirds, or any technical aspects of videography, then maybe it's not for them. And that's what Sandmarc does. They create premium products for content creators who want more efficiency, who want to be more creative, and it's really a great company. And I'll have links down below where you can buy one. And if you enjoy this video, give it a like, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.